In this tutorial, I'm going to show you from scratch on how you can mirror your Android phone just like the way how you are seeing on the screen here. Okay, it's super simple. All you need to do is just to take your time and watch the full tutorial. All right, so I will come back to you guys shortly. Hey guys, how y'all doing? My name is Salieu. I'm a mobile geek. So in this tutorial, guys, I'm gonna show you exactly on how you can mirror your mobile screen. All right, so first and foremost, before you mirror your mobile screen, you need to have some certain backgrounds. All right, but to have those backgrounds, you need to go to your browser, Google Chrome. You go and download any background of your choice. Okay, but for me, as you see guys, I have already downloaded my backgrounds. Okay, I have downloaded a lot of backgrounds of my choice, so you need to go and do the same. Okay, before you do this, you need to go to Google Chrome or Opera Mini or any browser that you are using to download the background that you want. All right, so we have to do this on an app called kinemaster. All right, this is the kinemaster. Okay guys, so we need to create our new project. To create our new project, we need to choose this 16:9. Yeah, after choosing 16:9, then we have to choose our background first. All right, so let me choose any background of my choice. So let me choose this one. All right, so this is it guys, this is how to go over it. All right, so I need to expand this one because my video is about 20 seconds, so that's why I'm trying to expand this one to 20 seconds. All right, 17. So it's up to you. If you have a video of 1 minute, 2 minutes, 30 minutes, it's up to you. Okay, so yeah, here we go. So first I need to commit my video. All right, so I just need to commit my video first. This is my video, as you see guys. All right, so let me just, because my video is 20 seconds, so let me reduce it a little bit, the duration. All right, okay guys, so here we go. This is the video. So also the mobile frame guys, if you don't have any mobile frame, you just need to go to your browser and also download a mobile frame. Okay, you can just go and type on your Google Chrome or on your Opera Mini like mobile frame PNG, something like that. All right, so I already downloaded my mobile frame. I still have all my frames. All right, so here we go, download. So let me choose, I got like a lot of mobile frames. All right, so let me choose this one guys. As you see, this is the mobile frame. So see the difference guys, this is the video, this is the mobile frame. All right, so all I need to do right now here is that I just need to adjust this one because the video need to fit exactly in the mobile frame. All right, so like this one, I don't know if it's okay. Okay, wow. So all I need to do now is to expand this one, is to expand it like this. All right, so here we go. As you see guys, this is the mobile frame. All right guys, as you see, here we go. So this is it guys. All right, so let me adjust this one a little bit. Here, the video. Okay guys, so volume, let me remove the whole volume. Okay, because the time of recording there will be a lot of noise on the background. So you see guys, so this is the video. All right guys, so it's so simple, right? I know a lot of people, you can see a lot of YouTubers doing these things. You can think that they do that on computer, okay, but you can simply do it on mobile phone. So it's up to you. Like for example, if I want to make it a little bit beautiful, something like that, I can just like take a YouTube PNG, something like this. Sorry, like this one guys. As you see, I can adjust it this way, put it at the top and left, something like that. If I want to make it beautiful, I can give it like any sort of animation that I want. For example, like, no, let me slide up. You see guys, slide left, it up to you. You can choose any style that you want. Slide right, pop, as you see, fade. Okay, slide left, slide up, slide down, clockwise. If you want, you can turn it like this. Okay, it up to you. You can set the duration as well if you want, but for me guys, all the time I prefer, like, you know, I prefer doing it like this. Which one? You can choose anyone. Flake, cheater. All right, so none. Let me go. Okay, so let me choose this one. Over animation, let me choose which one I like best. I prefer this one. Okay, slide down. I love this one so much. Okay, it up to you, the duration of it, like how fast it can appear and disappear. Okay, you can minimize it like this way guys. Okay, let us put it this way here. Subscribe, it should be down here, like, to make it a little bit good looking like this guys. I prefer for it to be here, like at the top and left. I will put there something like YouTube. All right guys, so it up to me. So if I will not put it at the starting of the video. I will just let the video play a little bit before it start to appear like this. Okay, I will expand it like this and leave it. Okay, so for example, we are just trying to make things beautiful, but this is all about the tutorial. Okay, but we are just trying to add some certain stuffs, you know, just to spicing up the tutorial. Okay, so let me just choose another something like this one guys, like YouTube, something like that. I have a lot of YouTube PNG. So well guys, this YouTube PNG is cool. Okay, so let me just try to use this one, minimize it like this. Okay, then auto animation, I prefer let it be on slide up right. Okay, I like it this way guys. This is it about the tutorial. As you see, here we go. Now it's all about the tutorial guys. Okay guys, please, if you find this video helpful, don't forget guys to subscribe and smash that subscribe button so that anytime I drop a video you'll be notified about it. Okay, it's so cool guys. This is it about the tutorial. All right, so also you want to spicing up like the video. Also, like, I can easily add up my YouTube channel name. Like, let me choose black, something like this one guys. You see that? I can add it this way. All right, like this guys, and also choose the animation that I want. Okay, like, up to me. Slide up, slide down. You see this one? You can simply leave it like this if you want. All right, see that? Okay, wait, I don't want it to be at the starting of the video all the time. All right, so let me just leave it like this guys. Okay guys, this is all about the tutorial. Okay, to save it you just need to tap here guys. So yeah, 1080p guys, so you just need to save it, then skip this one. All right, so this is all about the tutorial guys. Okay, so I'll be dropping like videos once a while, all the time. So please, I know a lot of people have been watching my videos but they haven't subscribed yet. So my YouTube channel, please do so that anytime I drop a video you'll be notified about it. Okay, so I go to gallery now, you can simply see the video. It's so cool guys. Oh, the tutorial guys. Okay, so this is the video that we uploaded. So if you find it more helpful guys, please subscribe. All right, so thank you so much guys for watching. Yeah, this is the tutorial guys.